morning students. Today we will discuss about Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? If the physical condition of a conductor, particularly its temperature, do not change, the ratio of potential difference applied across its end to the current flowing in it is constant, which is called the resistance of a conductor. Now, in any circuit, if the current is flowing in a conductor, then the potential difference across this conductor is directly proportional to the current, and the ratio of potential and the current flowing in it will be equals to R. R is the resistance of a conductor. And what is potential? So whatever the potential is given, which is directly proportional to I. It means if the potential is high, the current will be high. If the potential is low, the current will be low or decrease. As the potential is increases, the current will also increase. By graph, we can say that now if this is our graph, then this is current I. This is potential difference V. Now, as the potential is increased, the current will also increase. This graph shows the proportionality V proportional to I. Okay? So, what is the unit of ohm, or what is the unit of R resistance? That is ohm. Okay, or we can say that V upon I means volt upon electrical resistance. So the obstruction offered by the conductor in the flow of electric current in it is called the resistance of a conductor. The ratio of potential difference applied across the ends of the conductor to the current flowing in it is called the resistance of that conductor. Now, resistance is equals to potential difference upon current. That is R is equals to V upon I. R is 1 ohm, volt is 1, V is 1 volt and I is 1 coulomb. Then 1 volt upon 1 ampere will be that we can write 1 ohm will be equals to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Okay. Now, what are the factors affecting resistance of a conductor? So, the resistance of a conductor depends on the number of collisions of free electrons present in it with positive ions. When the number of flow of free electrons tends to move, so the positive charge, how much they collide with each other. So, that will affect the conductor. So basically in this, what is the material of a conductor? So if it is metallic conductor, then the flow of free electrons is smoothly or comparatively high. But if it is not a metallic drift velocity of a free electron will be decreased, due to which the number of collision of free electrons will increases. Hence, when the collision is increases, resistance will also increases. So these are the factors which are affecting our conductor. Now our next topic is electrical conductance. So what is conductance? We know that a conductor which is used to increase the capacity of a conductor. So conductor is increasing the capacity, but resistance has some disturbance in flow of current. So that is inversely proportional to each other. So we can say that the reciprocal of a resistance of a conductor is called the electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance. What is electrical capacitance? So reciprocal of resistance. If we consider C is the electrical capacitance, then is equals to 1 upon R. As the resistance increases, the capacity will decrease. Or if the capacity decrease, the resistance will decrease. So its unit is ohm inverse. Ohm inverse is the unit of electrical capacitance, or we can also say that Simon. Simon is the unit of electrical capacitance. Now our next topic is specific resistivity. So what is specific resistivity? When The basic of drift velocity of free electrons.